Hi everyone, it's Gail. I'm here with a bonus video today. I am doing the unboxing of Blue Fern Studios' brand new collection. It's designed by Michelle Singh and oh, it's so pretty. It's called Compositions. And I'm just going to slide these things over. We'll take a look at the paper collection first. I kind of like to do that so you can see how everything goes with everything else. Okay, so I couldn't stand it. I had to look before I did the video, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so Compositions is the name of the collection. This particular page is called Collaboration. Look at that mixed media yumminess on the back. Oh, I love it. So that's that one. This one is called Allegory. I love how she's got like the old wallpaper or flowers. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. So pretty. This one's called Arya. Apparently it's the little bird that's singing the aria. And kind of old texty print on the back. This one's called Ensemble. Again, it's got those beautiful flowers. Lots and lots of layers to these. Ooh, and look at the damask on the back. Oh, so pretty. So, so pretty. This one is called Harmony. Ooh, that's happily grungy, isn't it? Oh my gosh, so fun. Metaphor. This one's called Metaphor. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, look at the back. Wow. That is gorgeous. So, so pretty. This one is, oh boy, libretto, I think. You guys who know music would know what that is and how to say it, but I don't necessarily. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This one's called Narrative. Isn't that pretty? This one, Prelude. Oh, I just love those flowers in the background. And then this one has wood on the back. And look at how beautiful the branding strips are. I love that about Blue Fern. Nothing goes to waste. This one's called Virtuoso. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. I love how she did that. Kind of took some of the other patterns from the paper and made kind of a strippy collage. So those are the papers. So let's see. Do I have a favorite? I like to do that. I don't know. That's probably pretty close, but gosh, there's so many pretty ones in here. How do I pick a favorite? I don't know. I really love this one too. Okay. I'm going to put this one on top while we look at everything else. Okay. So that will be our backdrop. So the happy news is, look at this. 8x8 as well. So we can have some fun with that. And then of course on the 8x8, then the pattern is smaller, you know, so for different projects, that's really helpful. I was going to find this particular pattern if I can. Where are you? Huh. Anyway, I was going to find this one and show you the kind of the difference in scale on them. There it is. So, you know, for different, like, you know, look at the letters, for instance, you know, it makes some options for smaller projects, I feel like. So that's the 8x8. Then, of course, there are the go-withs. So there is the Ephemera Pack, 29 die-cut card shapes. And, oh gosh, there's everything from cats playing instruments to ballet shoes. So all sorts of things on that. Then the journal pack. And it looks like, we have to investigate this, it looks like some new ideas in terms of this journal pack is some ephemera pieces, you know, to cut out and use, as well as, you know, the full, like look at this one with the pocket and the label. So that's a great idea. There's here's some borders. So yeah, what a great idea to add to the journal pack. So a pocket there. Oh my gosh, so much fun. So I have 2 projects in mind for this collection. So we'll probably take a break in what we're doing and do one of them anyway, and then do the other one along the way. But yeah, so that's the journal pack that goes with. Stamps. So everything starts from a dot. Music is the strongest form of magic. Reading is a discount ticket to everywhere. Photography is about capturing souls, not smiles. And artist. Ooh, that artist stamp is awesome. And then a background stamp and kind of a border stamp. Look at the text and everything on this border stamp. Super cool. Okay, and then we've got the charms. So I'll show you what we've got here. Nature in Flight. It's this one. Can you see that if I'm holding it down here? I'll stand up for these. And then we have some notes and like a cello or something. Musically inclined, which you can tell I'm struggling because I'm not. These are different art things. Like there's a ballet shoe, an artist palette, a pen nib, harp, the artistic life. That one's called. This one, some flowers, floral tapestry. It's that one. I love this, lace work. So corners and an embellishment there. Love those. And then we have the chipboard. So this one is called Framework. We have this one, Laurel Medallion. This one, Jeweled Pendants. Oh my gosh, they're pendants. So like that is all one chipboard piece there. Do you see that? Yeah. This one, Leafy Filigree. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh. This one is Lattice Accents. Love these on the corner of a cover too. And this one, Charming Frames. So there you have it, the new Blue Fern collection. I didn't check today. I forgot to do that. But the last time I looked at Lots of Bubbles for me, these were on pre-order. So I don't know if it's flipped over to you know, having them available or not. But that's the store I always promote because that's where I buy them. And yes, I have pre-ordered this. I have pre-ordered this so I can use it with Abandon and still have another set left. How's that? So yeah, I have 2 projects in mind, and so we will get to those here soon. But I wanted to show you everything so you could go over and get these if you wanted to. So I hope you enjoyed. I think it's just gorgeous. Good job, Michelle and Susan and Anne. Awesome. Awesome, as always. So have a grateful day, everybody, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.